morning, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? It's going to be a quick topic. After my run to Lowe's and Home Depot that you saw in the previous video, I stopped by this guy that's going out of business that I keep talking about. And you'll see from the past videos, I bought a couple of antique hand planes from him. And I did some videos on them. I didn't do any restoration to them. I didn't want to ruin the value. I just cleaned them up real well. Showed them to you here in quick videos. So this is one right here in the picture. Looks like it was destined to be junk. It had been sitting in a box since I don't know for how long. I think he was going to get rid of this stuff. So I went ahead and got this for almost next to nothing because of the crack that's in there. He didn't feel the value was going to be worth anything. I thought it was a pretty cool, conversation piece. So I picked it up. There's no manufacturer on this. It looks to me that somebody actually on a farm or wherever they were actually made this from a block of wood. Then it looks like in the front you see that big split, that it's split on them, so they pinned it. You see on that bottom left here in the picture, there's that round piece of metal going through it to the other side. I'm going to show you a picture of the other side and then we'll keep talking. Give me just a second. Okay, so now here I got the other side of it and you'll see this is how he pinned it. And I guess it worked, and it's working for him. And I slid it on a piece of wood here at home, and it still holds a good sharp edge, and it worked. It's just a small plane. Looked like it was totally handmade, which I thought was kind of impressive, really. So to other people, I know this stuff is junk, and to some people, antique planes are highly collectible. So I don't know much about this other than just to show you the picture and talk about it a little bit. You can see that block of wood that wedges and holds the cutting piece of steel in there, the plain part of it, and it goes down through the bottom. I thought this was just unique. I thought it was worth saving, so I went ahead and rescued it, we'll say. I brought it home. I just wiped it down and I cleaned it up and I left it aged. I didn't do anything else to it, and I'm not going to do anything else to it. I just think these are kind of cool to collect them or hang on to them and not see them go to the trash pile, I guess is what I'm saying. So I went ahead and did that. Let me show you a couple more pictures. We'll conclude the video. It's just meant to be real short and show you something that I saved. Okay, so here's just another view of it. Like I said, nothing fancy. It's not shiny new, anything like that by a long shot. It's just, I thought it was amazing that somebody actually took the time and actually made this and hand carved it themselves. This is the last picture I have of it from the top facing down. You can see that split there. You can see the pinning still. You can see what it looks like on the inside. And to me, it looks like the whole thing was hand carved. I thought it was pretty cool, all in all. Like I said, keep your eye out at these places. I still keep stopping by there. He keeps kind of going through things and then decides what he's going to get rid of, what he's not. And all these antique tools, if I run across them and he's asking for next to nothing, I think I just got this for a couple of bucks. But, like I said, he was going to throw it out anyway. So what the heck? I went ahead and got it. I just wanted to share it with everybody. I'm the home handyman. I hope you click subscribe. I hope you keep following me. Let me know if you like the videos that I'm putting up, or let me know what you want more of. I'll be more than happy to look into it. Click subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. You folks have a great day. Bye-bye.